Hello and welcome to our How Math to Somewhere Math finally clicks. Today we have this problem on the board. It reads, if the perimeter of a square is equal to 5x plus 1 and the length of its diagonal is 2x minus 2 in brackets times root 2, what is the length of each side? The question requires us to find the length of the side of a square. So a sketch will definitely do us a world of good here. So we have the sketch. Don't forget that a square has all its sides equal. So here is L. Let's call the length L and L. The perimeter of a shape is distance around the shape. So in this case, the perimeter P will be adding all the distances. That will be L in 4 places. That's 4L. If we want to find the length here, it means we have to make L the subject. So L will be P divided by 4. When you divide both sides by 4. Then P, the perimeter, don't forget, has this value, 5x plus 1 over 4. But we cannot find the length from this because we don't know what x is. So we first of all have to find x. How do we make the connection to find x? Now the diagonal, let's call it D, of this square is the hypotenuse of this right-angled triangle. And its value has been given as 2x minus 2 root 2. Now, because it's the hypotenuse of this right-angled triangle, we can find the diagonal by Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem would say, based on the lettering, that d squared, the square on the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. That's L squared plus L squared. L squared plus L squared will be 2L squared. Now, if we take this square root of both sides, we are going to arrive at D is equal to square root of 2L squared, which is the same as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of L squared. Then this will give us square root of 2 multiplied by this square. The square sign will cancel with the square root multiplied by L. Now, having found this connecting equation, let's put all of the parameters we are given into the equation and see what we are arrive at. So D is 2x minus 2 multiplied by root 2 equals root 2. L is 5x plus 1 over 4. We divide both sides by root 2 to clear the root 2. That will cancel out this root 2. And so we'll be having 2x minus 2 equals 5x plus 1 over 4. We cross multiply this and we will have 4 multiplying 2x minus 2 equals 1 multiplying 5x plus 1, which still remains that value. We expand the bracket on the left hand side, we have 8x minus 8 equals 5x plus 1. Collect like terms, we have 8x minus 5x equals 1 plus 8. This gives 3x equals 9. Therefore, x will be 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Now we go back to the equation for the length, so we can find the length. The length is given as 5x, x is 3, so 5 times 3 plus 1 over 4. That gives 15 plus 1 over 4, which is 16 over 4, or 4. Like, we post for others to get to see, comment, and follow. Thank you.